Let's bring in some kids who are way smarter than I was that age. Matthew Nunez, probably smarter than me now. Matthew Nunez and Trang Tran of Wall Street Bound. Wall Street Bound is a nonprofit organization focused on preparing students like those for careers in finance. They're going to swap out their team as we go on. Guys, great to have you. Matthew or Trang, what is your selection? First pick in the draft.
Our selection is Vistra, ticker symbol VST.
Woo. I love the energy. Literally, we're starting with my world, and that is energy. Matthew, you're not only handsome, but you're a genius.
Thank you. I appreciate it. And we can go right into the stock draft pitch. So we picked Vistra Corp, ticker symbol VST, which is a vertically integrated retail and electric power generation company with a large market share in Texas. Vistra owns a large, diversified fleet of power plants, which include gas, coal, solar, and battery, with new investments in nuclear power through 2 acquisitions in 2023 and 2024. When demand is high and supply is constrained, prices spike and Vistra profits. But during periods of oversupply, margins compress. This trend was observed during Winter Storm Uri in Texas, where Vistra profited massively from the huge demand for power generation. Over half of Vistra's EBITDA comes from its Texas wholesale market, making it highly exposed to Texas weather, policy shifts, and pricing dynamics. Longer term, demand from data centers, especially those built by hyperscalers such as Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, is driving structural power growth in Texas. While short-term leasing slowdowns could soften expectations, Vistra is well-positioned to benefit from the build-out of AI-driven infrastructure that depends on reliable and dispatchable energy. In summary, Vistra is a weather-sensitive, policy-exposed, but strategically positioned player in a rapidly evolving Texas energy market, offering both risk and compelling upside. And I'd love to pass it on to Trang to go into some financials.
I feel like we're on Shark Tank or something.
It's impressive.
Trang, was this your pick? Whose pick was this? Go ahead. Why do you think this makes sense here? I mean, again, this stock is well off the highs, which maybe is exactly the opportunity, but a lot of people be a little nervous getting in here right now.
Yeah, exactly. So speaking of the relative valuation, Vistra is currently trading at the forward P ratio of 18 times compared to another competitor like Constellation, which is trading at 21 times, even though Vistra has higher operating income margins and returns on equity. But the reason why we like the name, aside from where it is right now, is also because of the fundamentals. The EBITDA margin has been growing double digits over the past 2 quarters, and management is confident in the guidance this year for EBITDA.